Yeah, the fire department's just now showing up, so this is fresh. This is live. Looks like the Brahms possibly is what's on fire. I can't tell yet. Definitely looks like it's the Brahms, unless it's something next door is the Brahms. One of the two. Just sees a fire truck right there pulling in. Oh yeah, there we go. Next door is the Brahms. Whatever building is behind that subway over there. So there's no fire department coming up behind me. I'm not in no one's way. There are no flashing lights anywhere. All the fire departments are in front of us. So everyone's just coming to a stop.